80-gram radar level gauge. Commissioning procedure. Press the OK button. The main menu displays basic settings. Inside settings, general parameters. First, container type. You can choose large volume warehouse, medium volume chamber, suction bin, and fast feeding and demonstration mode. While debugging, select presentation mode after the factory according to the field list. The size of the volume bin to select the corresponding type. Second, medium type. Measuring solid. Material choose solid liquid. Level choose liquid. Adjustment of height. Low post adjustment heap is corresponding value of meter soon output. High level adjustment. Student 1 state. Now connect the Bluetooth. The Bluetooth password is 68 and then hit OK. This is the Bluetooth interface. Look at this Bluetooth. The top is already connected. Radar level gauge and pressure. Transmitter production workshop. It is widely used in electric power, chemical metallurgy, cement and other industries. This is our quality inspection. The workers are inspecting the products before they go out. Give each product a final test to ensure the stability of product quality. We do a good job of each product, dedicated to the majority of users.